Welcome, and it's great to see you again. I think you know that what a high priority that visitor center that we visited together with Senator Manchin at the Canaan Valley National Wildlife Refuge, and we are going to be together again, I think, in early June to see the completion of that $7 million facility. You know, when you look at the estimation of the economic benefit to this facility and also other such facilities in the wildlife refuge system, it's millions of visitors and with an impact of billions of dollars. And also, I think, as you noticed when we were there together, it's a great partnership with the state because of the coordinating of resources there. So I know that it has slipped a little bit in terms of the target date for opening the new visitor center. And I wanted to ask you a status update. Is everything on cue to begin in June? And also, along with that, I know the Elkins Field Office of Fish and Wildlife is going to be moving there, which will be the centralized area. How that's going? Do you need to hire new people into that? Because I know our main person recently retired, and the status of the move of Fish and Wildlife to that facility.
So, you're spot on. I mean, the reality is construction is essentially done, and refuge staff will be moving in this week. We expect the folks in the Elkins Field Office to relocate to the building over the next 2 weeks. And we will have basically a real opening of the office portion on around March 18th. And then the visitor center, as you said,
Right.
will follow along. It just needs some internal stuff done to it. So I think early summer is right on, but we're on target.
So I would remind you to remember to bring your fishing gear.
Absolutely. Well, I actually have a bigger problem in that I went home and talked to my boy about it, and he's like, well, I need to bring him. So that's
Good.
He'll probably be with me that day.
Great. Well, we look forward to that, and that will be a great enhancement to the area, really to the entire area of the state. And thanks for your
You bet.
commitment to that. We're talking about species. The bat species is one that West Virginians wrestle with, whether it's the little brown bat, the Indiana bat, the northern long-eared bat. And there's been, the white nose syndrome has been part of this. What are you seeing there? Are you seeing the bat population declining? And what? Because the problem is anytime we want to do any timbering or anything else, we have to set up habitats, and it just prolongs the ability to move forward.
Well, I do think our scientists are making strides. The Geological Survey and the Fish and Wildlife Service have developed a vaccine that might provide immunity against the fungus causing white nose syndrome. USGS is working on some tools to monitor bats and control the spread. And we are continuing to research changes to hibernation sites, microbes that bats are carrying on their skin. The budget that we put forward has about $6 million. And frankly, we had the 2020 enacted has 12, and we have not spent through that. So we have the resources, and I think we're making progress on it. I'm